The only 3 hand signals that you're allowed to give if your indicator is not working, this would be for making a left-hand turn, this is for stop, and this is for making a right. Big supporter of the Constitution. I took an oath to uphold it. You made an unauthorized hand signal out the window. I really hope you're not a firefighter because your chief might think that's the way you're acting is
Are you trying to be retaliatory right now?
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. A viewer that wishes for his name to remain anonymous submitted this video. As such, we will refer to him as Bob. On October 14th of 2022, the Metro Transit Authority Police in New York was conducting a vehicle and traffic law detail, otherwise known as a speed trap, but was focused on any uniform traffic violation they could observe. Bob's coworker returned from lunch and told his crew about the traffic detail, upset because he had just received 5 citations during his break. Soon after, Bob happened to drive through the same area, and when he noticed the officers, Bob first waved at them, and once he had their attention, he flipped them off and continued driving. Within seconds, Bob is pulling to the side of the road.
Afternoon, sir.
How's it going?
Good. The reason I'm pulling you over is your window tints are too dark in the back. Can you lower it down halfway for me, please?
Yep.
That's good.
Having a great day?
Okay, so your window measures at 38%. The legal light transmittance level in the state of New York is 70%. Can I see your driver's license and registration?
Yes, sir. It's in my back pocket. My registration's in the cubby.
Okay. Okay, what's that you have there? A second license right there.
It's a pesticide certification.
Can I see that too, please?
Why?
I want to see that, make sure it's not another state driver's license.
Here's my registration. You don't need to see that.
Sir, I'm telling you to show me the other license. I'm trying to verify that you're not possessing more than 1 state driver's license.
Happy?
Okay, good. Also, just so you know, the only 3 hand signals that you're allowed to give if your indicator is not working, this would be for making a left-hand turn, this is for stop, and this is for making a right. This is not an authorized hand signal to make out the window.
No, this is saying you, free speech.
Okay,
Got
yes,
it?
but you can't make an unauthorized hand signal out the window, okay? Sit tight right here.
I can do whatever I want, sir. My left turn signal worked just fine.
Okay.
I made my left turn. Anything else is free speech.
According to the 6th Circuit Court of Appeals, the ancient gesture of insult is not a sufficient basis for reasonable suspicion of a traffic violation or impending criminal activity. And I suppose the officer knows this. Otherwise, it is probable that he would have focused his attention toward a citation for the unlawful hand gesture while driving, instead of immediately pursuing the window tint, as without making it appear as though the stop was for the tint violation, this would have been an unlawful detention. But nowhere in the New York vehicle and traffic laws or in the New York driver's handbook does it say that there are only 3 lawful hand gestures. Despite this seemingly retaliatory traffic stop for constitutionally protected activity, Officer Ryan McHale now claims to support free speech, while in the same breath, he informs Bob of the only 3 authorized hand signals in this free society.
So what you need to understand is that free speech, yes, that is fine. I'm a big supporter of the Constitution. I took an oath to uphold it. However, while you're driving, the only 3 hand signals that you're permitted to make out the window would be this for a left turn, this for stop, and this for right.
So I can't wave to anybody? I can't give a thumbs up to anybody passing by?
You waved to me, I saw that, and then you made an unauthorized hand signal out the window. This is left, this is stop, this is right. So if you're making your hand up like this, and you're showing a hand signal out the window while you're making a left-hand turn, it's signaled for a right turn.
I wasn't making a signal.
What were you doing then?
I was waving. I was saying hi, and then I said, F you.
Okay, sit tight right here.
Sounds good.
Actually, do me a favor. Raise this window up halfway for me too, please.
No tint.
Okay.
Happy?
Lower the other one on the other side, please.
While looking for additional citations to add to the stop, Officer McHale observes the sticker on the back of Bob's vehicle.
You're a quad firefighter?
I don't answer questions.
Okay.
Officer McHale now returns to his vehicle to write Bob's citations. We assume that the officer is as big of a supporter of free speech as he is of police transparency, as he mutes his body cam for the next 15 minutes, after which he returns to Bob's vehicle.
Alright, sir. I did issue the 2 tickets for the illegal window tints today. You have until the 10th of November to plead guilty or not guilty in the town of Southampton Traffic Court. If you wish to plead not guilty, the instructions on how to do so are in the back of the ticket. Any questions?
No court.
Okay, yeah, that's totally fine. That you enjoy the presumption of innocence in the state of New York. Also, I really hope you're not a firefighter because your chief might think that's the way you're acting is
Are you trying to be retaliatory right now?
Not retaliatory. I'm just letting you know that's unbecoming of a firefighter. A hero like yourself. Drive safe.
Bob fought the citations and they were both dismissed. Officer McHale appears to have been the defendant in a lawsuit that settled this past year, where it is alleged that a man and a woman were lawfully present in Grand Central Terminal. The woman was participating in a protected, lawful First Amendment activity. The man was not. The lawsuit claims that Officer McHale and others brutally assaulted the two without justification or provocation. Unfortunately, we are not afforded with any more information, as the case has settled and has been sealed with a stipulation of confidentiality and protective order, and all we're left with is our imagination. Before you go, here's another ridiculous traffic stop, where a commercial driver was fined for not having his bed made.
Your bed has to be made.
By law?
Hey, sir, go ahead and take your book back.
Say that again.
Take your book back. I'll provide you with the information on it, don't worry.
And you're gonna write me up on that too, ain't you?
I need your registration.
You took my book with you.
Okay, is your insurance card there as well?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
You got it all with you.
That's fine. I also need to see your medical cards on here.
Yes, my medical card's on there. Every
Bills of
CDL.
lading.
So my bed has to be made
Mexican.
by some law somewhere, right, officer?
I'll tell you what, I'll go back and I'll look it up.
Yeah.
I'll show it to you. How about that?
And if my bed's not made, which my bed's not made, you gonna write me up for that, officer?
You gonna give me your stuff?
Yes, sir, I'm working on it. Yes, sir, I'm working on it right now. Hold on a minute. Oh, wait, let me make sure that's it. Yeah.
Thanks for watching. If you have a video, use the submit link in the description or pinned comment. If you enjoyed this one, subscribe and hit the bell for future content, and check out our other channels, Lady LackLuster and The Odd Side. Remember to like, share, and leave a comment about what you think of this interaction. It's the easiest way for you to help expose corruption and misconduct. Merchandise is available using the links below. Join the LackLuster family for just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel. Get a Lack logo next to your name, custom emotes, and early access to videos. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. All links are down below.